to another class on modeling, and in today's class we're going to be looking at this particular question. But before I solve, I would like you to try it. Pause this video and try. Okay, let's solve together. So we have solution. So the first thing we need to do here is write the question, which says fifth root of 5 to the power of what, y, plus 5 raised to the power of what, 12, divided by 5 raised to the power of what, y, plus 5 raised to the power of what, 2, is equal to 5 raised to, okay? So you can say 5 raised to the power of 1. So how do we get rid of this fifth root? Put a bracket here. This is raised to the power of 5 and raised to the power of 5. This will take care of this. So we have what? 5 to the power of what, y, plus 5 to the power of 12 divided by what, 5 to the power of what, y, plus 5 to the power of what, 2, equals to what, 5 to the power of what, 5. The next step we need to do now is we need to cross multiply. We made this over 1, so we are cross multiplying. We're going to have 5 to the power of what, y, plus 5 to the power of what, 12 is equal to 5 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of what, y, plus 5 to the power of what, 2. So we haven't done anything strange, we only what, cross multiplied. So the next thing we need to do right now is to expand this side. So by expansion, we're going to have 5 to the power of y plus 5 to the power of what, 12, equal to 5 to the power of 5 dot 5 to the power of y plus 5 to the power of 5 dot 5 raised to the power of what, 2. So this is one step. So the next thing we need to do now is we need to look at what can we do from here. We need to collect our like terms. So by collection of like terms, we're going to have 5 to the power of y. Here we have 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by what, 5 raised to the power of y. So what we are going to have here, we're going to have it minus 5 to the power of what, 5 dot 5 to the power of what, y, equal to, we have what, here, since the base are the same thing, we'll add the power. This becomes what, 5 to the power of what, 7 minus 5 to the power of what, 12. So the next thing we need to have here is what is common to both of them, 5 to the power of y. So we have 5 to the power of y into this will give us 1 minus 5 to the power of what, 5, equal to 7, 12. So we can have what, 5 to the power of what, 7 into this is going to give us 1. Then we have what, 5 to the power of what, 5 remaining. So from here, what can we do? These two brackets are the same. We can what, cancel each other. So we have what, 5 to the power of y equal to what, 5 to the power of what, 7. So common base cancel out. So we have what, y equal to what, 7. Thank you for staying true to this point. Don't forget to share this video and comment. Thank you. See you in the next class.